Hey everybody, this is Chuck from Presscheck Training and Consulting. I'm on my last day of training before breaking for SHOT Show, and I'm trying to kind of get some of my Glock skills back for the 2019 season. I didn't shoot a whole lot of Glock after about September of last year, so got some new guns, just trying to get better on them or whatever. So part of that, part of that for me is trying to get that trigger sorted out. Strong hand, weak hand only. I could get away with a lot trigger control wise by having a good support hand grip, but on strong hand and weak hand only, the support hand grip isn't there to help you. You're kind of on your own. So one of the things that I'm going to try to do today to kind of test my ability to break the shots when I want them without a lot of pre-ignition movement of the firearm is I'm going to attempt to shoot Defoor's hat Qual today, strong hand only. So Defoor's hat Qual is a 25-yard drill on a B8 target, and it's normally done freestyle. On the buzzer, you draw from holster. You have 20 seconds to put 10 pills in that target, and they got to be 90 or above in order for you to pass. I'm going to attempt to do that strong hand only today. We'll see how that works out for me. So, "25-yard line. I'm trying to run double cameras, but my action camera is not cooperating with me. 10 rounds in the gun. Defoor hat Qual, strong hand only. Here we go. .75. 16.75. Shot that a little bit fast. We'll see what it looks like. Oh yeah, I got shots in the white. Okay, first thing we got to do anytime we're scoring B8s, we got to count them up, make sure we have all of our shots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, we'll be doing reverse scoring today. So that's 97. Plus 2 more is 95. Plus 2 more is 93. 92, 91, 90, and all of those are worth 10. So, there you have it. That is Kyle Defoor's hat drill, fired strong hand only by me at 25 yards in 16 seconds and change with a score of 90, because I'm kind of a minimal achiever kind of guy. All right, you guys enjoy your time. I'll see some of you at SHOT Show. The rest of you, I hope I see you on the line.